No gym, no starving, just a simple 7-day belly fat diet plan for beginners. Just save this video and follow along day by day. Welcome to Level Up Vitality. In this video, I will show you a complete belly fat loss diet plan with easy meals, snacks, and portions you can follow without starving. Just remember to watch this video till the end. Before we jump in, remember two easy habits. First, drink plenty of water during the day to stay hydrated, and this will also help you control your hunger. And aim for at least 30 minutes of movement, walking, a home workout, or some stretching. These small habits can seriously boost your fat burning results. For breakfast, have 1 cup of oats cooked in milk with about 5 almonds. This meal is around 320 calories and is rich in fiber and protein. It's filling and helps control cravings. For lunch, go for 100 grams of grilled chicken with 2 slices of bread and a bowl of salad. This provides around 400 calories and is great for protein in keeping your metabolism active. As a snack, enjoy an apple or a small handful of peanuts to stay satisfied between meals. For dinner, take a bowl of vegetable soup with 2 boiled eggs. This is a light, high protein meal that supports recovery and reduces late night cravings. For breakfast, enjoy 2 fried eggs with 2 slices of brown breads. It's a simple protein packed meal that helps keep you full. For lunch, have 150 grams of salmon with a small serving of brown rice and salad. These foods are very good for steady energy. As a snack, go for a plain yogurt. It's good for your gut and helps reduce bloating for a flatter stomach. And for dinner, try a bowl of vegetables stir fry with chickpeas or lentils, and they will keep you satisfied through the night. For breakfast, have 1 bowl of oats topped with sliced apple and a pinch of cinnamon. This meal gives around 350 calories, is rich in fiber, and helps keep you full for longer while reducing sugar cravings. For lunch, have a bowl of grilled chicken salad with lots of fresh vegetables like cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. This meal provides around 400 calories, high quality protein, and fiber, which help burn fat and keep you satisfied for longer without feeling heavy. For your snack, have a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a few almonds. This gives you protein and healthy fats that keep you full, reduce sugar cravings, and support belly fat loss. For dinner, enjoy stir-fried chicken with vegetables and olive oil. This high-protein meal is only 300 calories and is also light. Start your day with cozy bowl of oats topped with juicy berries like strawberries or blueberries. It's packed with fiber and antioxidants, helps your digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. For lunch, enjoy grilled chicken with a colorful bowl of mixed veggies like lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes. This plate is high in protein and low in calories, helping you stay satisfied. For a snack, have an apple with a tablespoon of peanut butter, a perfect combo to give you steady energy. End your day with 200 grams of steamed fish and veggies like broccoli or carrots. This light meal gives your body what it needs to recover throughout the night. Kick off your morning with 2 boiled eggs and 1 orange. The eggs gives you good boost of protein and orange adds vitamin C. These two items will support your metabolism. For lunch, eat a small bowl of brown rice with lentils. This meal is rich in fiber and keeps your energy stable. For your snack, grab between 15 to 20 mixed nuts. They reduce cravings and keep you satisfied. For dinner, have vegetable soup with grilled chicken or Indian cheese. It's light and supports belly fat loss. For breakfast, have a bowl of oats cooked with low-fat milk and add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. This meal is high in fiber and protein, helping you stay full and support fat loss. For lunch, eat a quinoa and grilled vegetable bowl. It's balanced, full of nutrients, and helps keep you full, so you're less likely to overeat. For your snack, go for green tea and have a small bowl of roasted chickpeas. This boosts metabolism and controls hunger. For dinner, have a vegetable omelette made with 2 eggs and mixed veggies. It's light, tasty, and packed with protein to keep you satisfied. For breakfast, have a smoothie made with 1 banana, a handful of berries, and low fat yogurt. It gives you good fiber, protein, and antioxidants to kickstart your day, which also helps you against inflammation. For lunch, eat a small portion of brown rice with grilled fish. This balanced meal provides long lasting energy and keeps you stay active. For your snack, eat 1 apple with 1 spoon of peanut butter. This combination keeps you stay satisfied. Now for the final meal, a light filling bowl of lentil soup with fresh veggie salad. It's light, filling, and supports good digestion. Remember, real change doesn't come from one perfect day. It comes from small steps repeated every day. You don't need extreme diets or long gym hours. Just stay consistent, trust the process, and your body will slowly start to change. Believe in yourself and keep going.